wow, 500 people, 3 days, that's really a European quality event.
Super excited to be here at the Belgrade Venture Forum event. Tons of great people, really good audience, really good engagement. Highly recommend it to anyone that was considering attending. Especially if you're a startup, it's a great opportunity.
I was very surprised that there were this many startups. I just have to say my overall impression is one of being very impressed.
It's always nice to be at this kind of events because you can feel a very positive vibe.
This is something that needs to be done in terms of promoting the ecosystem of the startups.